Hi, to enter pairing mode on your Marshall Miner 4, as a first step, you will need to open the charging case and make sure that both earbuds are in the case. After that, take a look at its bottom part, and here you'll find this black button, which we need to hold so the indicator on the front will be blinking blue. Let's try this out. I'm gonna press the button. And now it is blinking blue, so it's ready to be paired and we can release the button, but do not close the case. After that, we need to take our phone and go in its settings. From here, choose Bluetooth, enable it by tapping on the switcher, and now you should find Miner 4 in the list of other devices. Tap on it to select, and now it is connected because we can see the status connected and we can see it in the tab My Devices. So now you can simply take out your earbuds like this and enjoy listening music. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment and like. And I wish you a great day. Bye bye.